first put soil and make sure you have like the bucket. And also water is also need for humans and plants.
What we're doing is introducing people to how they can start plants. So we have 3 different plants that we're introducing to our groups that are coming through. We have tomatoes, we have herbs, and we have microgreens. So what is really great about what Professor Joshua is doing here is that he's showing people how easy it can be to just have something sitting in your windowsill that can produce something for you in a very short period of time. So the soil mixture that we're using is just cocoa coir, vermiculite, and perlite, and that allows for soil moisture retention and airflow, and it allows the seedlings not to have to struggle to get through, unfortunately, our very hard clay soil that we have here in Texas. So what it does is it gives them a great head start for life. One of the great things that they can take away is that it's really easy, and that they can, in a couple of days, they can actually see life coming out of the soil mixture that they made here. So they don't have to wait for some long period of time. In 2 or 3 days, they're going to see the baby leaves coming out, and they'll actually be able to harvest the microgreens in less than 2 weeks.